Hello travelers, welcome back to another episode of our weekly travel tips. Whether you're traveling for the first time or you're a passport stamping veteran, these tips will save you time, stress, or even money. 1. Bring a universal adapter with USB ports. A good adapter is a one-time investment. 2. Email yourself a photo of your luggage in case your luggage gets lost to show the airline staff what your bags looks like. 3. Pack dryer sheets in your bags. It keeps clothes smelling. 4. Use a hotel business card or take a photo of your hotel in country where you cannot speak their language. This helps to show to taxi driver or local to locate your hotel. And lastly, book attraction tickets online in advance like tours and landmarks. Often have the script line or discounted online options. Stay informed and travel smart with travel.org, your partner in seamless journey. And don't forget to follow us at Travelism on all social media platforms. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.